Triboelectric charging is a charging process that typically involves the rubbing of two insulating materials together. The rubbing results in a transfer of electrons from the material with the smallest electron affinity to the material with the greatest electron affinity. The material with the greatest love or affinity for electrons gains electrons and becomes negatively charged, while the other object loses electrons and becomes positively charged. A triboelectric series ranks materials according to their relative electron affinity. In the diagram shown here, materials with the greatest electron affinity are located highest on the charts. Let's suppose that material X is rubbed with cotton and becomes charged positively. That means the electron affinity of X is lower than that of cotton, and it would be located lower than cotton on the charts. Suppose we also observe that X becomes charged negatively when rubbed with wool. This means that the electron affinity of X is greater than that of wool, and X would be located on the charts higher than that of wool. Observations of this nature allow us to rank materials according to their relative electron affinity. By performing triboelectric charging experiments with a collection of materials, you can produce your own triboelectric series. Consider these results for materials W, X, Y, and Z. By mixing logic with our general rule relating the electron affinity to the charge acquired by two rubbed objects, you can rank these four materials according to their electron affinity. I will analyze these results from top to bottom. From rows 1 and 2, we recognize that Y and Z have a greater electron affinity than W, since each becomes negative when rubbed with W. We don't know how Y compares to Z or to X. But from row 3, we recognize that X has a greater affinity than Z, since it becomes negative when rubbed with Z. We don't know how Y compares to Z or to X, but we know it's greater than that of W. And from the last row, we recognize that Y's electron affinity is lower than that of Z, since Y becomes positive when rubbed with Z. So we can now finalize our rankings of electron affinity from greatest to least as X, Z, Y, and W. I'm Mr. H, letting you know that you got this.